Hello there. This is the dashboard of the SchedulePress WordPress plugin, a powerful tool to manage content scheduling on WordPress websites. Let's start with the General tab. Plus, the plugin's dashboard includes several other tabs: Calendar, Email Notifications, Social Profile, Social Templates, Scheduling Hub, and License. In the General tab, we first see an option to show or hide scheduled posts in the dashboard widget. Once enabled, scheduled posts will appear directly on the WordPress dashboard homepage. Next, there's an option to show scheduled posts in the site-wide admin bar. Once activated, we'll be able to view scheduled posts by hovering over the admin bar. We can also choose which post types SchedulePress should support, either selecting all or choosing specific ones individually. Further down, we have the ability to treat taxonomies as tags and define which users can access SchedulePress features based on user roles. The General tab also includes additional settings for managing content scheduling preferences across the site. Now let's move on to the Calendar tab. Here, we can visually manage scheduled posts by date and status, represented in different colors. Draft posts are listed on the right, and we can hide or show them with a single click. If multiple posts are scheduled for the same day, we can expand the list using the View More button. SchedulePress allows us to easily reschedule posts by dragging and dropping them to different dates. The post status automatically updates, switching between scheduled and published as needed. We can also manage posts directly from the calendar view using quick actions such as View, Edit, Quick Edit, or Delete. Moving to the Email Notifications tab, we can configure notifications to be sent when post statuses change. Notifications can be sent to selected users based on their role, username, or email address, and can be customized per post status. Now let's explore the Social Profile tab, one of the most important features of SchedulePress. This is where we manage integration with various social media platforms to enable post sharing, either scheduled or immediate. We can connect social profiles directly from this tab. For example, to connect a LinkedIn profile or page, we simply select the type and click Add New. In the pop-up, we're given two options. We can either connect with app credentials, where users provide their own app ID and secret, or they can connect their account, where they authenticate using the SchedulePress business app. The second method is more straightforward. By clicking Connect Your Account, users are redirected to sign in to LinkedIn, authenticate, and allow access. Once done, their profile is fetched and can be added with a simple click on the Save button. Once the profile is added, we can share posts to LinkedIn either by scheduling or instantly. We're aiming to implement the same process for Google My Business integration. For this, we're seeking app verification from Google to complete the integration and enable seamless post sharing. Connecting to Google My Business works similarly. Users have two options. Users can connect with app credentials by entering an app ID and secret. Plus, they can directly connect their account using the business profile we're registering with Google. When users choose Connect Your Account, they're redirected to select a Google account. Upon selecting, they are asked to grant permissions to edit, create, and delete Google My Business listings. These permissions require access to the Google My Business Plus scope. Once access is granted and authentication is successful, users' business profiles are fetched. They can then select a profile, save it, and start sharing directly through SchedulePress. In the Social Templates tab, users can create and customize templates for each platform, like Facebook, Twitter, and Google My Business. This allows control over the format and structure of shared posts per platform. Next is the Scheduling Hub, which includes 3 sections: Advanced Schedule, Manage Schedule, and Missed Schedule. With Advanced Schedule, users can plan post updates without changing their current status. Under Manage Schedule, users can choose between the Auto Scheduler and the Manual Scheduler. Auto Scheduler automatically selects times to publish posts based on a defined start and end time and post limits per day. Manual Scheduler is for manually assigning post times. With the Auto Scheduler feature, if 10 posts are scheduled for Sunday, for example, and an 11th is added, it will automatically move to Monday. The Missed Schedule feature ensures that if WordPress fails to publish a scheduled post, it will be immediately published once a visitor comes, and the feature detects the issue. The final tab is License, where premium users can activate or deactivate their license. Now, let's walk through how social sharing works in action. We open a post in the WordPress editor. In the SchedulePress section of the right-hand panel, we have several options for scheduling. For social sharing, we are selecting LinkedIn and Google My Business. For LinkedIn, we can choose between profiles and pages. There's also a default or custom profile selection. Here, we're selecting the custom option to use the LinkedIn profile we connected earlier. We do the same for Google My Business. Once we click Share Now, a pop-up appears showing the sharing status in real time. Let's preview the result. Here's our test Google My Business profile. As we can see, the post has been shared successfully with the image and content we provided. Next, we visit the LinkedIn page we connected to. The post appears there as well, confirming the success of the sharing feature. This completes our overview of the SchedulePress plugin and its capabilities. To enable automatic sharing to Google My Business, just like other supported platforms, we are seeking app verification from Google. Once verified, users will be able to share posts directly from the WordPress dashboard to their Google My Business profiles. Thanks for watching.